as we know, rate of reaction remains constant throughout the course of reaction. So we can also plot the graph between rate and concentration. So as you know, if we plot any line in any axis perpendicular, it means this thing is constant now. So here the rate is constant throughout the change in concentration, no effect on rate of changing the concentration. Okay, so this is the properties. One more thing, unit of rate constant for zero order reaction. Okay, so we know K is equal to mole per liter 1 minus n second units. So K is equal to this is the mole per liter to the power 0 only second. So it is for the zero order reaction. So it is equal to the 1 minus 0. So this is the mole per liter second units. Okay. So finally these are the general characteristic of zero order reaction. All of you get it? Again try to understand zero order reaction independent of the concentration of reactant. R is equal to R naught minus Kt. You have got this equation during the derivation. So here Y is equal to Mx plus C. So R, this is the time T. So now we know here the R is the concentration at Y axis, T is the at X axis, and this is the slope, that is the negative. So such type of graph will be formed. Now rate of reaction remains constant throughout the course of reaction. So here rate is the constant throughout change in the concentration of reaction. Unit of rate constant for zero order reaction, K is equal to mole per liter 1 minus n second inverse. So student, you know K is equal to mole per liter 1 minus 0 second inverse. So K is equal to mole per liter second inverse. Now half-life. So what is the half-life, students? The meaning of half-life is this, that the time at which concentration of reactant become half. वो समय जिसमें जो कंसंट्रेशन होती है रिएक्टेंट की वो आधी रह जाती है, उसे बेटा हम लोग क्या कहते हैं? उसे हम लोग कहते हैं हाफ लाइफ. ओके, सो हियर R is equal to R naught by R is equal to R naught by 2. R half is equal to, here T is equal to T half. So now put the value on equation on. So rate of reaction remains constant throughout the course of reaction. So rate remains constant during the change in concentration. So this is the another graph for the zero order reaction. Student, here unit of rate constant for zero order reaction. I have discussed the formula of rate constant for the various order of reaction. Here K is equal to mole per liter 1 minus n second inverse. So now K is equal to mole per liter 1 minus 0, N is equal to order of reaction second inverse. So here K is equal to mole per liter second inverse. And now half life, the time at which the concentration of reactant become half. R half is equal to R naught upon 2. Initial concentration R naught remains half, so divide by 2, and T is equal to 2 half, T half. Now put the value on equation, so we will get that K is equal to R naught minus R upon T. Here R is replaced by R naught by 2 and T is replaced by T half. So we will get that K is equal to R naught minus R naught upon 2 upon T half. So is the 2 R naught upon 2 into T half is equal to K. So T half is equal to R naught upon 2. Is it clear or not? I think, student, is it clear to all of you? Now you can calculate the half-life for the zero order reaction. So now we can also prepare a plot. This is the T half, this is the R naught. You know these are directly proportional to each other, so straight line graph will be obtained. Now I am going to discuss examples. All photochemical reactions or heterogeneous reactions. For example, CH4 plus Cl2 gas, CH3Cl gas plus HCl. This reaction is only we started after the presence of light. If the light is not present, the free radical is not formed and the reaction is not occurred. Okay. Similarly, N2 plus 3H2 gas, platinum solid, we get the 2NH3 gas. Okay. So here the reaction is also catalyzed by platinum. So such type of reaction is considered in the zero order reaction. H2 gas, Cl2 gas, PT solid, platinum catalyst, 2HCl is formed. So here we can understood about the zero order reaction. Okay students, so this is the completely discussion about the integrated rate equation of the zero order reaction. Thank you students.